Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get verified on OkCupid. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OkCupid app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to verify your OkCupid account, you need to go to your profile first. Here you can see the profile option at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Now at the top section, you can see your profile. Tap on it. Once you're in your profile page, here you can see the Get Verified option. You need to tap on it. Tap on Next. Again, tap on Next. It'll open up the camera app for you. So it is important to make sure that you're allowing to take a video selfie that clearly depicts your face. You can follow the instructions closely so that your verification process can be completed successfully. You will have to wait until the verification process completes. So this process can be quite frustrating, but it is important to remember it's a very necessary step in creating a more secure dating experience for all. So that's it. That's how you can easily verify your OkCupid account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.